Sarah, and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to mend a hole in a sweater. Do you have a favorite sweater or cardigan that you just can't part with, even though it's seen better days? Well, this is my cardigan before. This is a Lord & Taylor cardigan that I purchased on sale a few years ago from the Hudson's Bay Company. It's 100% cashmere and soft and warm, but it has 2 holes in the sleeve cuff and 1 more hole at the neck where the brand tag ripped off. I can't bear to part with this cardigan because it's one of my go-to items and I can wear it under a blazer. I'll be adding 2 butterfly patches to repair it. Before I start this DIY, please share this video with your friends and family. I'd love to help others sew and refashion on a budget and troubleshoot their favorite patterns. I also love sharing the treasures that I find at thrift stores. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and make sure that the bell is on so you receive a notification when I release a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Now, on to the DIY! I purchased these fabric butterfly patches in a package of 3 for $1.25 from Dollarama, a Canadian dollar store. These butterflies came in a variety of colors, but I chose the blue butterflies with yellow accents and purple and black outlines. I placed 1 butterfly over the hole at the back of the neck, where the Lord & Taylor brand tag ripped off. The patch on the sleeve had to be carefully positioned so that it covered both holes on the cuff. Once both patches were pinned in place, I threaded a needle and knotted off the end. I poked my needle up through the back of the patch, about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Now the knot was between the cardigan and the patch and not visible. Next, I poked the needle up through both the cardigan and the back of the butterfly patch, 1/8 of an inch from the first stitch, as well as 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the patch. I made sure that the stitch that went through the cardigan was as small as possible and slightly under the edge of the patch so that there were no long threads outlining the patch. I continued this stitch, the whip stitch, all the way around the butterfly patches to secure them to the cardigan. I chose to hand stitch these patches in place for a couple of reasons. The first being that the fabric is cashmere and very delicate, and the second being that I have more control over where I stitch by hand than I do with my sewing machine. Here is the repaired cardigan. To complete the look, I'm wearing a Ralph Lauren polka dot dress that I ordered online from the Hudson's Bay Company. After wearing it for a few years, I decided to lengthen it, so I removed the flounce, added a black band to the bottom of the dress, and reattached the flounce. The black fabric was a remnant, so I didn't have to buy any new fabric for this look. I lengthen all my skirts and dresses using a similar method that I detailed in one of my videos. The link to that video is at the top of the screen. The tights that I'm wearing are Secret brand, also from the Hudson's Bay Company. I bought the purse from Value Village thrift stores and repaired the handle so that the chain wouldn't dig into my shoulders. The link to that video is right here at the top of the screen. The shoes are Joey New York high heels that also came from Value Village. The gold necklace came from the Salvation Army charity shop. And my earrings were in a Ziploc bag full of jewelry that I got for $5 at a church Christmas bazaar. I hope you enjoyed how I added a fabric butterfly patch to mend a sweater. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe. And if you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.